निकाला गया है। मार्शल को देकर हम 2 विधायक को निकाला गया था। हमारा 1 विधायक को बर्खास्त किया गया, सस्पेंड किया गया, और हम लोग 4 जन तो ऑलरेडी सस्पेंडेड है। ये विधानसभा हमारा है, विरोधियों का है, हम लोग जनप्रतिनिधि है। ऐसा करके ये ऑटोक्रेटिक रूल नहीं चलेगा स्पीकर का और ममता बनर्जी का, कि जो भी पसंद ना हो, जो विषय लेकर आप अनकंफर्टेबल हो, उस विषय वो बात करने नहीं देंगे, माइक बंद कर देंगे और सस्पेंड करके मार्शल को देकर निकाल देंगे। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
Well, viewers, we just heard Agnimitra Paul. Now, this entire protest is happening because of the incident that unraveled in Murshidabad. Remember, Suvendu Adhikari was the first person who highlighted this entire matter, where he said that Hindu in this specific market, which is being dominated by a certain section of the community, they are being attacked. And after that, the TMC brushed this entire issue under the carpet. But once again, we have the BJP protesting on it. Joining us live on this broadcast is my colleague Kishalay. Kishalay, Agnimitra Paul is highlighting the issue of Murshidabad. There has been a lot of clashes there as well. It is a vulnerable area. What more do you have on this, Kishalay?
Well, exactly, and not just Agnimitra Paul, but several BJP MLAs, including the leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, is right now in front of the assembly protesting against the fact that they asked for an adjournment motion within the assembly to discuss about what's happening allegedly in Murshidabad's Nauda. Shubhendu Adhikari posted about how the Hindu houses were being attacked and vandalized in Murshidabad's Nauda of West Bengal. And today they wanted to have a discussion over this in the assembly, and they wanted adjournment motion and to discuss about this issue. They also requested the speaker, but the speaker did not allow them to speak in this matter. That's the reason that they walked out of the assembly, and outside the assembly, all the BJP MLAs, including Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of the opposition, and MLAs such as
নিরাপত্তা দিতেই সরকার ব্যর্থ। আমরা সংবিধান যে কথা বলেছে, সংবিধান বলেছে ধর্ম পালনের অধিকার আছে।
Talking about what the constitution has told us, we have the right to ask questions. This government is only focusing on appeasement. This government is not thinking about the common Hindu population of the state. They cannot provide security to the Hindus, and we cannot speak about it in the assembly. 15 Hindu shops were burned down. Police Minister Mamta Banerjee has to answer. The Hindus are asking whether they can stay in Bengal or not. After India's win, one club there, they started celebrating with crackers, and then this whole situation unraveled. In West Bengal, people cannot celebrate India's win. And the Chief Minister is not allowing us to speak within the assembly. The Chief Minister doesn't want to allow us to record our statement in the assembly. So our MLAs are protesting inside and outside.
বিরোধী দলনেতা সহ বিজেপি বিধায়কদের গত 4 বছরে 9 মাস
in 4 years 9 months we were kept outside the house on for various reasons, and many of us are suspended.